Good day everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix if D drive or E drive is not showing in your Windows computer. Whether it is Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 11, if any drive is not showing in your computer, you can easily fix it without losing any data. But make sure you watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to press Windows plus R button on your keyboard and this run box will open. In this run box you have to type diskmgmt.msc and hit enter. And this disk management window will open. There is another way to open this window is simply you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on disk management and same interface disk management window will open. On this window, here you can see all your computer drives. In my computer, I have 3 drives, C drive, D drive and E drive. But in File Explorer, you can see only C drive is visible, D and E drive is missing. To get back your missing drives, what you have to do, simply you have to right click on your missing drive. Here you can see this one is D drive, it has 78 GB drive space and this one is E drive, it has 105 GB drive space. Now you have to right click on your missing drive, then click on change drive letter and paths, then click on add and here you have to select drive letter D or E drive, then simply click on OK. Once you do that, your missing drive will be back in File Explorer. Now here you can see and it has all my data. And similarly, let me do it for E drive. Right click on your missing drive, then click on change drive letter and paths, then click on add and then you have to select drive later and then simply click on OK. Your missing drive will be back in File Explorer. As you can see, this one is E drive and it has all my data. So in this manner you can fix this issue. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.